Hi! In a previous video I promised to put the sound of a firing neuron, and here it is. Listen. How interesting! That's the sound of a firing nerve cell to send a message to other nerve cells. You can go to YouTube and both see and hear a nerve cell firing. YouTube is great for that. Well, I get excited every time I say YouTube, or every time I mention or think about these amazing ideas and great achievements. But I have to contain my excitement right now. So we can go to YouTube and get so much great education, free information. YouTube is amazing. I will make more videos about brain and computer and great ideas. Thank you for listening, my friends.